My name is Dusan and I come from Croatia. In Croatia, as a Mediterranean country, we have a large supply of water above ground, but the majority of the drinkable fresh water is actually found in the underground of the karst region in the southern parts of the country. And these large supplies, besides being the drinkable water for the majority of Croatia, are also the main habitat of most of the underground endemic animals that inhabit the Dinaric Arc. These supplies of water are now threatened by pollution and also by the other human activities, and our goal here with the project is to preserve the water for us, but also for the animals to live in it. One of the main characteristics of the Dinaric karst is that the water flow above ground and under the ground is not the same. And the best example of this is the cave where we are now. It is called Rupečica, and even though from the spring till the sinkhole there is just barely 50 meters, the system goes down in the underground and stretches for hundreds of meters of underground flow, and actually comes up again in another spring and then again in another sinkhole. In this way we have a large underground river, which is actually a large reservoir of drinkable water for the whole area.